The phone has display of 17.01 centimeters, 6.7 inch, and HDR10 Plus dynamic AMOLED display. 2636 by 1080 pixels resolution and inner display 6.7. The phone also has FHD Plus resolution, side fingerprint scanner and face recognition. It has 12+12 MP dual rear camera setup OIS. It has FFF 2.2 10MP f2.4 front punch hole camera. It has 2 PDF 1.8 Plus. It comes with 3300 mAh lithium-ion battery, non-removable, wireless power share and non-removable battery included. It has 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, dual standby, 4G plus 4G, and dual SIM Nano SIM plus eSIM. It runs on Android V10 operating system. It is powered by plus 1.7 GHz Snapdragon 855 Plus octa-core processor. It also features dual SIM and GPS.